4 minutes, with the climax lasting around 20 seconds. Men, on the other hand, tend to orgasm in just 2.5 minutes, peaking for approximately 12 seconds.
Well, an orgasm is a response in the brain that controls many different systems in the body. There are many physiological accompaniments to orgasm: increase in blood pressure and heart rate, increase in pupil diameter. That these are the brain regions that are activated by the stimulation that she's applying. Certainly the genital sensory cortex is activated. So we should be seeing some activity. She pressed it.
Oh, did?
Yeah.
X.
At 45:34. 45:34.
Orgasms can also cause the brain to block pain signals. A recent study suggests climaxing can be as effective as 3 doses of morphine.
Monica, you okay?
Yep.
Okay, you're done. You did great.
Thanks. It was comparable to what I might have on my own any other time. Not quite comparable to with company. I prefer with company.
Female orgasms may also have another crucial reproductive role.
There is evidence that one of the functions of orgasm is to increase uterine contractions that can suck sperm into the uterus, and that could have an effect of adding to the likelihood of pregnancy.
You know, I went to my happy place and got happy, so hopefully the scan will, tell the stories. My hope is that a study like this would actually prove what I already believe about orgasm, which is that it's essential to our being.
The pleasure we experience during orgasm is believed to encourage us to have as much sex as possible. And in men, orgasms could also play a key role in driving ejaculation.
If you've got a good sperm count, you're making something like 1,000 sperm per heartbeat. You can ejaculate hundreds of millions of sperm per day.
When a man ejaculates, he produces on average over 200 million sperm, enough to populate over half of the US. So why do men make so many sperm? To help find an answer, these 5 students are going to compete in a sperm race.
What we're going to do today is have a look at your individual semen samples and then do a little race. Now, if we look at sperm and we look at how they're swimming, we can see these sperm that are swimming fast across the field and the head's moving a bit from side to side. But there's also lots of bits of cell debris and some sperm that are not swimming at all, others that are just twitching. When you arrive in the vagina, it's a horrible acid environment, and most of the sperm are going to die instantly. So after an hour, white blood cells appear, and they're going to kill all of those sperm that are in the cervix. So you've got 1 hour to get through treacle, 1/3 of the way up Everest, otherwise you're dead. So what we're going to do today in our sperm race, we'll look at how many get to a certain distance, and also how far the furthest sperm can swim.
I'd be absolutely gutted if I had low sperm count.
Dr. Kirkman Brown asks the volunteers to provide sperm samples. Wrapped inside a testicle are tubes over 20 feet long that produce over 100 million sperm every day. Yet despite their huge numbers, sperm only make up a tiny fraction of the semen. The rest is food for the journey and chemical protection. When a man ejaculates, semen squirts out at around 28 miles per hour, followed by an intense rush of pleasure, a reward for a job well done. It's now time to count the volunteer sperm and calculate how fast and far they swim.
You've had a bit of time away while we've done the processing in the lab. Obviously, I've now got a clipboard here with some results on it and some data for us to look at. Are people feeling a bit more nervous now?
Yeah, a little bit nervous now, yeah.
Yeah,
The problem is I can only think about sperm now. Sperm, sperm, sperm.
First of all, we've got some data which is just on the neat semen samples. But we have got quite a big range of results. So we've gone from in the region of 45, 46 million sperm to one of you having somewhere in the region of 1,500,000,000 sperm in the ejaculate. Tom is our hero with over 1 billion sperm in his ejaculate. Did you realise you were a billionaire this morning?
I always felt there was something special about me, but like it's nice to know that there's a lot of guys in there, you know. But I don't know.
Is it something you'll now tell your friends about?
I will now, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
The final thing we looked at was which sperm got the furthest fastest. We have Tyler as a winner on this one.
Unbelievable.
In 1 minute, Tyler's sperm covered 1/5 of an inch, which may not sound much, but it's equivalent to a human swimming through syrup faster than the best